Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The total acceptance rate across UC campuses rose by 6.5% to 69.5% in 2020. At UCLA, the total acceptance rate also rose by 2.3% to 16.3%. In total, 47% of new UC admits are first-generation students and 47% come from low-income families. 5% of UC's in-state freshmen are African American and 21% are white. 16 July 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Very difficult to predict admission outcome, as that depends on many factors and not just academic GPA and standardized test scores. 1580 is an excellent SAT new test score. UW GPA of 3.6 is much lower and not competitive for UCLA, irrespective of your residency.
Make your mark, take our lead.
3.0 GPA. You must have a 3.0 GPA, 3.4 for non-residents, or higher and no grades lower than AC in required high school courses. You can also substitute SAT subject tests for courses. If you don't meet the requirements, it is possible to gain admission with a high enough score on the ACT, SAT+ on 2 SAT subject tests.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Although UCLA is more selective than UC Berkeley for the class of 2021, both campuses are getting harder to be admitted into. This made UCLA the second most selective UC campus behind UC Berkeley, which had a total admit rate of 17.5% in 2016.16 October 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You must have a 3.0 GPA, 3.4 for non-residents, or higher and no grades lower than AC in required high school courses. You can also substitute SAT subject tests for courses. If you don't meet the requirements, it is possible to gain admission with a high enough score on the ACT, SAT+ on 2 SAT subject tests.
Take our lead.
For transfer students, it will be much more competitive and a high school 3.3 GPA will be very difficult to make an impression to the UCLA admission committee, is what I believe. Use it as a general guide to selectivity and not as a predictor of your chance for admission to UCLA.
Take our lead.
How hard is it to get into UCLA? It's very competitive to get into UCLA. Each year, UCLA accepts around 14% of its applicants. Put another way, that means that UCLA accepts 14 out of every 100 students that apply. 6 September 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.